Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. We are back with a new video which is about all basic settings of new YouTube channel. It's especially for new YouTubers. Whenever you make any YouTube channel, then some settings are necessary for you to do, which helps you a lot. When you make a YouTube channel, it's on zero, and these settings helps you to grow your YouTube channel up from zero, and these settings are recommended from YouTube to apply on your channel. They have two benefits. First is that your YouTube channel will be safe in view of YouTube, and second is that it helps your YouTube channel to grow from zero up. So let's go towards the second. First of all, open Chrome and open Channel Dashboard or YouTube Creator Studio. Now here you can see there is a lot of options, and you have to click on settings. Now click on channel and go on advanced settings. And here you have to select the second one. The first one is that this channel is made for kids. Second one is that this channel is not made for kids. And the third one is that all of my videos should be checked by YouTube. If it's made for kids, then it's okay. If it's not made for kids, then put that video on any other category. We shouldn't select it, because if we select this, then your videos will be shown on kids category, and if they found something which is not for kids, then YouTube will apply community guidelines strike on your video. Plus there won't be any ads on kids video. Now click on basic info. And here you have to give the keywords for your channel, that from which content your channel is related. For example, my channel name is Tech, which means my channel content is related to technology. Now what we have to do is that open new tab and search for ytseotools.com. Now here you have to generate all the keywords related to your channel's content. Now in search bar I will type technology, because my channel's content is about technology, and you should search for your own channel's content. For example, if your channel's content is about cooking, you can search for recipes, foods, etc. And now click on generate text. Here you can see it have generated lots of text for technology, so we will remove some of them. Now click on copy text and copy all the text. Now let's go back towards the channel dashboard, and here paste all the text. Here you can see the sign, which means that it can be saved due to loss of alphabets, so let's remove some of them. Now you can see it's enough and can be saved, and now click on save. Now let's go towards the next setting. Click on setting. Now click on upload defaults. Here you can type title, descriptions and text, which will be automatically applied on all the videos which you will post in future. You don't have to add manually. Titles and descriptions is not recommended because every video needs their own title and description, so here only tags are recommended, so that when you upload videos this text will be added to your videos manually. So open new tab and search for Wifi SEO tools. Here I'm telling you once again that you have to search for the text related to your own YouTube channel. My channel is about technology, so I will search for computer. Now click on generate text. Here it is all the text for computer. Now copy all the text. Now open channel dashboard and click on text. Now paste all the text you have copied. As it can't be saved, so I'll remove some of the text. Now it can be saved, so I will save it. All the setting is done. Now I will show you how to change channel's name. If you want to change your channel's name, then follow the following steps, and here from options scroll down and click on customization. Now click on basic info. From here, channel name and description, you can change your name. Just click on that. And here you can edit or change your channel's name. I won't be changing mine, so if you changed your name, then click on publish. Remember, this option won't be given to you again and again, so change your name carefully. Now let's go towards the customized video, that how to add a feature video. Click on layout. Highlight a video for your subscribers to watch. This video won't be shown again at the top of your page for subscribers who have watched it. So that's where feature video is. Now click on add and choose a video. Now click on publish. And done. And now click on branding. So what does branding mean? When a video is playing, so at a corner of video a subscribe button will appear and you have to add that button on your video from branding so that whoever will watch your video can easily subscribe to your channel by clicking on that button. So let's add that button. Now select that subscription image. You can easily find that on Google and click on open. Now let's fix the size. And here is the options that how to display that button. You have to select entire video and click on publish. So everything is done. Hope this video will help you a lot, especially when you're starting a YouTube channel. So like our video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.